How to change address on Bank of America account. Hello and welcome back. If you'd also like to change your address on Bank of America account, in today's video we'll be explaining how. So without any delay, let's just get started. For that, of course, you need to log in into your account. For that, go to Bank of America and then basically look out for their login page. And once you enter there, you can use your credentials in order to log in. You may go ahead and use your user ID and your password for that. So once you are logged in into Bank of America, you can navigate to your profile and settings tab. From there, you may go ahead and choose addresses until your contact info. So just go ahead and do so. After that, you can review your changes and confirm by clicking Save All Changes. Similarly, if you'd like to do it by phone, you can basically go in and call their number. It is easily available in the website or you can directly search for it in the internet. After that, have your account number ready for verification and follow the prompts to speak with a representative and request the address change. Apart from that, you can even in person visit the bank. It is one of the easiest thing you can do. You can schedule an appointment online for added convenience and then bring a valid government issued ID and potentially other documents depending upon the situation, and a bank associate with will assist you with the address update. You can even mail them, and that is it. There are several methods you can follow up. You can go ahead and consider the one that is convenient to you, and that way you can change your address on Bank of America account. So therefore that is it for today's video. I hope this information was helpful to you. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.